Hi guys, today is the first episode of a new Friandise special where I'm going to show you how to make the perfect 7 friandises. We're going to start with one of my favorites, a beautiful stroopwafel cookie that's filled with a salted cardamom caramel and a coffee ganache. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any other episodes. And for now, let's begin. First we're going to begin with the salted cardamom caramel. Heat up a small saucepan and start toasting 2 grams of cardamom. This is going to take 2 to 3 minutes and you want it to smell lovely aromatic and toasted. Once that's the case, turn off the heat and add 300 grams of cream. Then cover it with a lid and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. After that, start heating 230 grams of sugar on a medium-high heat. Stir it as little as possible till it's a beautiful golden caramel. When you're happy with the color, while stirring, add the cream. I thought to be smart and take the cardamom seeds out while adding the cream. But if you don't stir it at the same time, this happens. So guys, be smart and do it while stirring. Cleaning this up was quite a mess, but like nothing ever happened. Now after adding the cream, directly add 70 grams of butter, 3 grams of flaky salt and 50 grams of glucose syrup. Then heat it up till the temperature is 112 degrees Celsius. Stir it every now and then to prevent it from burning. Once the caramel has reached the desired temperature, pour it into a bowl and add 40 grams of white chocolate. Blend it till smooth. Be sure to keep the blender at the bottom of the bowl to prevent any air from mixing with the caramel. Then cover it and let it cool down out of the fridge. I always leave it overnight. Now transfer it into a piping bag that's fitted with a round nozzle and keep it out of the fridge for later. Then the coffee ganache. Mix 120 grams of cream with 75 grams of an intense espresso and bring this to a simmer. Now transfer 360 grams of white chocolate into a bowl and once the espresso mixture is simmering, pour it on the chocolate. Blend this till smooth. Then add 30 grams of butter and blend it once more. Now again, keep the blender at the bottom of the bowl. Then cover the ganache and let it set in your fridge. Once it's set, transfer it into a piping bag that's fitted with a round nozzle and keep it in your fridge for later. Now for the stroopwafel cookies. Mix 160 grams of butter with 80 grams of icing sugar and 2 grams of salt. Knead this till it's an even mixture. Then add 20 grams of egg yolk and mix it for a minute. After that, add 200 grams of flour and knead it till it's an even dough. Once all the flour is incorporated, directly stop mixing to prevent too much gluten from forming. Now you can spread the dough on your desired mold. I had this one custom made by mold potters. Bake the cookies at 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. You want a nice golden color. Once golden, take them out of the mold and let them cool down completely. Keep them covered for later. Now let's finish the first friandise. Pipe the salted cardamom caramel on the bottom of the cookies and fill the middle with the coffee ganache. Then cover it with another cookie. Now like this, they're already delicious, but to add a floral note, I added some basil flowers. Then, they're ready to be served. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Not much to say other than that I'm super happy with the result. I love the dough recipe, because you can see all the detail in the little cookie, and that works so well for other shapes and sizes. So super happy with that one. And I mean, if we crack it open, yeah, just look at that caramel pool, the chocolate ganache, incredible. Let's have a go. And it's so good. Obviously, as a Dutchie, I'm a massive fan of stroopwafels. Or as I always heard online, Stroopwafel. Like I said, it's stroopwafel, not Stroopwafel. A stroopwafel literally means caramel waffle, so it's like a salted caramel. That's why I made the salted caramel with the cardamom, and it balances so well with the coffee ganache. So I am definitely going to eat all of this right now. So I hope to see you next time. Please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next, and be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any other of my Friandise specials. And as always, bon appetit.